Welcome to Highway Havens, your ultimate stop for luxury motorhome tours, in-depth car reviews, and road trip inspiration. From high-tech RVs to the latest automotive launches, we bring the open road to your screen every week. Imagine a motorhome so advanced it doesn't just compete with luxury cars, it challenges private jets. The brand new 2026 Bugatti RV takes comfort, technology, and design to levels the RV world has never seen before. From a cabin lined with premium finishes to features you'd expect only in a 5-star suite, this isn't just travel. It's redefining what it means to be on the road. But is all this extravagance just a statement piece, or could it actually be the future of motorhomes? Stay tuned, because by the end of this video you'll know if this RV is worth its jaw-dropping hype. The Bugatti name has always stood for speed, exclusivity, and unmatched craftsmanship. But now the brand is steering into an entirely new territory: luxury motorhomes. The 2026 Bugatti RV isn't just another entry into the RV market. It's a bold statement aimed at redefining what life on the road can feel like. Designed for ultra-high net worth travelers who want the thrill of Bugatti performance with the freedom of a rolling residence, this launch has already turned heads across the automotive world. It promises not only jaw-dropping design and technology, but also a new benchmark for luxury mobility. And in just a moment, we'll dive into whether this RV truly lives up to the Bugatti legacy, or if it's simply an extravagant experiment. Step inside the 2026 Bugatti RV, and the first thing you'll notice is that this isn't just a motorhome, it's a moving luxury suite. The exterior alone sets the tone, with sleek aerodynamic lines that borrow inspiration from Bugatti's hypercars. Instead of the bulky, boxy shape we're used to seeing on the highway, this RV looks sculpted, almost futuristic, with a stance that demands attention. Even the paintwork offers customization similar to Bugatti's sports cars, so owners can match their RV to their Chiron if they choose. Open the door and the experience goes to another level. The cabin greets you with polished wood trims, hand-stitched Italian leather seating, and ambient lighting that can shift to match your mood or the time of day. A panoramic glass roof stretches overhead, flooding the space with natural light during the day and offering starry night views when parked. Imagine pulling up to a remote mountainside and having a living room that feels like a high-end penthouse, complete with a 360-degree view of nature. Technology plays a huge role here as well. The RV comes equipped with an AI-driven control system that manages everything, from climate and lighting to entertainment and even security. With voice commands, you can dim the lights, lower hidden TVs, or prep the kitchen appliances. For long journeys, an advanced driver assist system takes over highway cruising, offering semi-autonomous driving capabilities that reduce fatigue. It's like having a personal co-pilot on every trip. Performance, as you'd expect from Bugatti, is nothing short of jaw-dropping for a vehicle of this size. Under the hood, you'll find a hybrid powertrain combining a V8 engine with electric motors, delivering over 200 horsepower. That means this massive home on wheels can accelerate faster than most sports cars, yet still travel long distances with surprising efficiency. The adaptive suspension ensures a smooth ride across highways and uneven roads alike, making it easy to forget you're piloting something the size of a small apartment. But luxury isn't just about speed, it's about living comfortably on the move. This RV includes a full chef's kitchen with smart appliances, a spa-inspired bathroom with rainfall shower, and a master suite complete with a king-sized bed and retractable theater screen. Storage solutions are tucked away so cleverly that the interior always feels uncluttered. And when it's time to relax outside, motorized awnings and an extendable patio create the perfect outdoor lounge. Of course, there are some trade-offs. The sheer size of the Bugatti RV means maneuvering through tight city streets could be a challenge, and parking requires planning. And while its hybrid system is impressive, the fuel economy is still far from eco-friendly compared to smaller motorhomes. Then there's the price tag, which we'll get to later, that makes this vehicle accessible to only the wealthiest buyers. Still, the big question remains: does all this engineering and opulence truly make it the best motorhome money can buy? Or is it more of a collector's statement piece than a practical travel companion? Keep watching, because next we'll break down the highlights and drawbacks that reveal whether the 2026 Bugatti RV is a dream worth chasing, or a luxury few will ever truly use. And here's where everything comes to a head. On paper, the Bugatti RV already looks unstoppable, but numbers alone can't tell the whole story. Taking it out on the open road, the first surprise hits almost instantly. Despite its size, the acceleration is shockingly smooth, pressing you back in your seat like a luxury sedan rather than a rolling mansion. The roar of the hybrid engine blends with the near-silent glide of its electric motors, creating an experience that feels both powerful and refined. But the real jaw-dropper comes in handling. Where most motorhomes sway and struggle on sharp curves, this Bugatti hugs the road with confidence. The adaptive suspension keeps it level, and for a moment you almost forget you're commanding a vehicle the length of a city bus. Then, as it transitions onto rougher terrain, the RV still maintains stability, proving that Bugatti engineering isn't just for racetracks. It can redefine road travel too. Inside, passengers experience the turning point as well. At highway speeds, the cabin remains whisper quiet, with only the faint hum of tires rolling beneath. It feels less like being in a vehicle and more like relaxing in a luxury suite suspended in motion. Yet this serenity comes at a cost. The fuel consumption spikes during aggressive driving, reminding us that no amount of engineering can completely escape physics. And here's the twist. While the Bugatti RV surpasses expectations in comfort, power, and presence, it also exposes a simple truth. This isn't a vehicle designed for practicality. It's designed to make a statement, to push boundaries, and to challenge what's possible in the world of motorhomes. For some, that's worth every penny. For others, it may be extravagance taken too far. So, is this truly the ultimate luxury RV? Or just a billionaire's toy that dazzles more than it delivers? Let's break it all down in the final verdict. So what's the final word on the 2026 Bugatti RV? At its core, this motorhome is less about practicality and more about possibility. It proves that the road can deliver the same level of opulence as the skies, offering an unmatched blend of performance, design, and sheer presence. The pros are obvious. Breathtaking craftsmanship, a cabin that feels more like a luxury penthouse than an RV, and performance that completely rewrites expectations for a vehicle of this size. Add in cutting-edge technology and semi-autonomous driving, and you have a rolling showcase of what the future of mobility might look like. But we can't ignore the drawbacks. The size alone limits where it can comfortably travel. Efficiency isn't exactly groundbreaking, and of course, the price puts it firmly in the billionaire's toy category. For the ultra-wealthy who crave exclusivity, it's a dream on wheels. For everyday RV buyers, it's a fascinating glimpse of what might eventually filter down into more accessible models. In the broader US market, its impact is symbolic but important. It sets a new bar for innovation in the RV industry, challenging competitors to rethink what's possible in comfort, technology, and design. Even if most of us will never own one, the ripple effect could shape the next generation of premium motorhomes. At the end of the day, the Bugatti RV isn't just transportation, it's a statement. Whether you see it as the ultimate dream machine or an over-the-top experiment, one thing is clear. It has changed the conversation about what luxury travel on wheels can be. So what do you think? Is the Bugatti RV the future of road luxury, or just a dazzling detour for the super rich? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the world's most fascinating vehicles.